All right, you guys remember the old leaky air fitting down here? Well, there's the new one right there. We're gonna go ahead and change it. It's gonna be tough to film, but I'm gonna do my best to pop these lines out. Let's see. Pop these lines out, you just kind of push down on that little collar while you pull up on the line. Like so. Whoops. Let's see if I can do it. Well, I'm gonna have to do some magic. Ta-da! Like that. Okay, and like that, it's the same way it comes out of there. And then this is nice and loose. So we'll just take that. Oh, that's nice. How the hell are you supposed to get that off of there? It's right there. Huh. Huh. Okay, that's how. You don't spin this fitting like I thought you did. You spin that nut down there and it just spins on that fitting like so. So we'll go ahead and take that out. Like so. And as you can see, they got an O-ring that goes down in there. And we just simply pop this little guy back on and we'll be done with it. Okay, it would be best to be able to cut the ends off of these, but they did that at the shop when they were trying to fix the leak. I can't because there's not enough line left. Let's see if it's leaking still. All right, I just refilled the airbags. Let's spray it. She's not leaking. Right on, the bubbles are dissipating. Okay, I'll come back to it in a couple minutes and see if we got any other bubbles, and I think we're good. That is a repair.